Hello everybody, this is Ryan and I want to make a little video here. I've been getting some questions about the standards and posting and how to make your posts and what you should include. So what I want to do is I'll make a little video to kind of walk you through a few things. The first thing you need to do when you make a post is you're going to want to click right here. It says what do you want to share, and then you get the screen popped up. And when I say a comment area, and that's where your standards go, it's right here. What do you want to share? So the first thing you do is you go to your standards, and your standards are on the course website, and they're right here. And if you go down the page, here's the standards that apply to this course. You'll pick one. And the first step is if you go out and you look at the modules, it tells you exactly how to post your standards. So you'll select one standard, one NALP, and one IST. At the beginning of every submission, you'll write the standards word for word, and then you'll paraphrase them, and then you'll post this at the top of your Google Plus community. You don't put your standards inside your document or your presentation. You just put them in the comment box. This is also your chance in the paraphrase is to link it to your assignment and what you've been learning. So this is your process here. So what's going to end up happening is, here's your community. So you go get your standard. So there's your standards. And I'm just going to choose this one. So I'll copy it. I'll paste it in. And then I will paraphrase it and describe how it applies to my post and how it can affect what I'm doing in my next job as a school leader. So you'll do that twice. And I noticed some of you aren't putting a lot of paraphrase in there. This is your opportunity to really dig into that standard and apply it. So you should really write 4 or 5 or 6 sentences. It really shouldn't just be 1 or 2. It's really how it applies. It's your opportunity to really understand that standard and how it applies to what you're doing in this course. So there's that one. And you paraphrase, and again, I would recommend 5 or 6 statements or sentences, 5 or 6 sentences about the standard in your words. So you do that, then go get the next one, and then I'm going to go down and I'm going to get another one. And I'll get this one. I'll paste it in here. Then I'll paraphrase it. Again, I'll do 5 or 6 sentences. Again, it shouldn't be something you just type one sentence and call it good. It's really, you need to figure out how this applies and be able to explain it and talk about the application of it, how it's affecting what you're doing in your assignment. So you'll do that. Then the next thing you'll need to do is, if you have a Google Doc or a presentation, something like this is just a sample Google Doc. I want to paste this in here. So in order, I want to be able to share this in the community. So in order to be able to do this, I got to share it. So what you need to do is you'll come in here, you go to advanced, and I recommend sharing it with anybody at 4 Days with a Lake. That way your classmates can see it. It's safe. I'd also like you to make sure that you put my name in here. Right here, and give me edit rights so I can go in and I can add comments or I can look at what you're doing. I'd really like to be able to have edit rights for what you're submitting, and so just put my name in there, and you can uncheck notification if you want to, because I don't really need an email on it, because I'll just be able to click on it and get it. So I would recommend unchecking notify people. Hit OK, and it's okay to skip it. So now my that's interesting. Wrong email address. So let's see here. So Ryan_Cardula. Oh, it's right here. You got to use this one. It's the .mail one. There you go. So put that in there. Hit OK. And now it'll be there. And then when you do it, see, I'm the owner of this document. So when you do it, I'll be there with an edit, and you'll be right here. So hit done. And then what you'll do is you'll want to share it. So there's a couple ways to do it. The way I do it is I copy the URL, and I just come back into my comment section. I hit paste, Then I give it a minute, and my document pops up, or it should be in there. So it'll load a preview. You gotta give it a chance to load the preview. So you can do it that way. That's it. That's the way I do it. Then you just hit post, and you choose your module, and it's sitting here. So here's my sample document. And if I want to see it, I just go and click on it, and it opens up. So hope this helps clarify some things about how to make posts in this class.